Hi everyone, this is Ophel. In this video, I'm going to go over the procedures to open a purchase order and order a hardware asset and stock it into a stockroom. It is meant as a short, executive summary informational video. So the first step is to look into our stockroom. Let's go to the asset workspace and then open the stockrooms and choose one of the stockroom. In this case, it's San Diego South warehouse. Hardware tab, and we see that we have a couple of Dell PowerEdge servers. We want to add few more to this inventory. So the next step is to open a purchase order. We click on the purchase orders and create a new one. We choose the date and the vendor, and the destination for the shipment is the San Diego South warehouse. We put some description, keep the servers, and we save the purchase order. Now that we have the purchase order, we add the line items for the purchase order. In this case, we have only one line item, which includes the two servers that we're going to order from Dell. For the purpose of this demo, I'm only including essential information. I'm going to leave all the other fields with the default values. Now I'm ready to submit the purchase order line item. Now that the purchase order is ready, we'll click on the Order button, which indicates that we've ordered the two servers. Let's assume that we've received the two servers. So we need to prepare to import the shipment notification into the purchase order and ensure that we have the two servers in our possession. To do that, we're going to go to the Import Shipment Notification and download the template file, which is an Excel spreadsheet that we're going to fill in. So the Excel spreadsheet includes important attributes such as the model ID, which is the model number, the manufacturer, the asset tag, the quantity, and all the other relevant information. So let's go back to the shipment notification module and import the Excel spreadsheet. Let's click on the progress to see what happens. And here we see that the import has actually failed. And that's an important point because the import set rows indicate the failure that has happened and the reason and the way to remedy it. In this case, we see that there is an issue with the PO number. The purchase order number that I entered in the spreadsheet was wrong. So I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet, open the spreadsheet, and fix the PO number to our PO number, which is ending with 7. Let's go back and try to re-import the spreadsheet that we fixed. After the import process has completed, we can verify that indeed 2 records has been inserted to the purchase order. So we can see here that we have 2 inserts. And back at the purchase order, we'll be able to verify that 2 assets has been inserted to it. So if we look at the Assets tab at the purchase order, we see that we have the 2 computers. As a stockroom manager, I need to verify that I have the 2 servers in my possession. So once I verify that, I can see that the state is in stock and the substate is available. So back in the stockroom, I can see that under the hardware list, I see the 2 servers available. This concludes the demonstration of Procure to Stockroom Executive Summary for Hardware Asset Management. Questions, comments, and suggestions are always welcome.